Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of web applications. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our content of our video for today is courtesy by iTrops. Thank you so much iTrop for providing us the content. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of web applications? Simply put, a web application is an application that runs on a web browser. The increase in internet usage in recent years, especially on mobile phones, has been extraordinary, compelling many companies to pivot to creating web apps. This also explains the growing statistics of web development services across sectors. Web development is gaining popularity because it is versatile, fast-paced, and relatively inexpensive. Web design services are generally executed for a variety of uses, depending on the creator and the target audience. But just like most technological advancements, web apps also come with their own set of pros and cons. In the interest of understanding whether web applications are beneficial, here is a list of advantages and disadvantages from experts at iTrops that can help you decide better. Advantages of web apps. Number 1. Cost effective. One of the most attractive advantages of creating web apps is the cost factor. Web development services required to execute this is way cheaper than other kinds of web developments. It simply consists of creating links between the URL and the application. And since that is relatively simpler to do, it takes far less time for development, thus making it overall a cost-effective affair for the owner. Ease of customization also helps here, since many developers find it less complicated to customize web apps by easily changing the interface of the app. Operations can be done with less time and effort, resulting in spending fewer resources. Number 2, always up to date. They do not require to be uploaded often in a way common apps usually do. It is the website URL to which the application is directly linked that gets updated to its most recent version. And as everyone accesses the same version of web application via the same URL, all users use the most up-to-date and same version of it all the times. Number 3, free from downloading needs. Since by using a web browser, a user can directly interact with the app, these do not have to be installed or downloaded separately from different platforms like Google Play or Apple App Store. This also results in money savings because one does not need to bear any cost for having a direct link through a web app. However, web apps can be accessed through multiple browsers as well as run on multiple platforms like laptops, desktops, or mobiles. Number 4. Run easy. Web design services for a default web app are programmed such that they can run on any operating system. As long as the web browser is in place, their interface in various screen sizes allows for them easily adapt to iOS, Android, or Windows, among many others. Let's talk about disadvantages of web application. Number 1. Internet reliance. Even though we seem to live in the internet era, losing one's internet connection is rather common. And no internet would directly result in losing the ability to run your web app. Therefore, a reliable internet connection is a must at all times to browse through the website and run the app. Number 2, web dependency. A web app is completely based on its web browser. While generally this provides a bunch of benefits, a complete dependency of this kind can be a limiting factor. If the website happens to fail or goes unresponsive, the app fails to function too. If your website undergoes any quiet issue, your app is going to be in trouble too. Therefore, web development services that pay great attention to building quality corporate websites are a must for running successful web apps. Whether it is the URL loading time or popping up on uncomfortable cookies on entering the websites, all kinds of issues must closely be taken care of. Number 3, reduce speed. Often, a web app operates relatively at slower speed than the application hosted on a local server, and for those reasons can completely replace mobile apps. It also directly linked to our browser, because of which its app size tends to increase. A large app therefore is considerably slower than a native desktop one. Plus, a web app runs completely on the internet. It frequently can feel slower due to the internet connection quality. Number 4, less secure. Although SSL enforcement can help reduce data breach risk, web apps generally lack the quality control feature. Hence, safety and security are comparatively reduced, causing threats to important and confidential data. Number 5, restricted functionality. Native technology always carries an advantage over non-native ones. As web applications are not native, they cannot sometimes effectively collaborate with all the hardware and operating systems of the specific devices you use. In conclusion, hopefully by now you have the answer to one of the frequently asked questions. What are the advantages and disadvantages of web applications? The answer to these questions can bring clarity whether there is a need of web apps for your business. So we have here, no, iTrops. We believe the only those web design services specially catered to your business requirements can benefit you. Okay, so this is the end now of my presentation, courtesy by iTrops, the advantages and disadvantages of web applications. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.